Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Snapchat notification sounds not working properly. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Alright guys, head it over to your Play or App Store and then search for Snapchat. And then make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. If it is, it will say open. Or if it doesn't, it will say update. So in my case, it says update. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update. And now I'm going to let that update and I'm going to see if that fixes my Snapchat notification sounds not working properly. Alright guys, it is now updated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on open. And then once you've opened Snapchat, click onto your user profile and then head into settings. So click on the gear icon, hit like so. And then on this page here, look for notifications. So under my account, it will be near the bottom, notifications. Go ahead and click onto it. All right, make sure these notifications are all enabled. Once you've done that, that should fix your problem. If not, we'll head over to the next step. So go ahead and close your application. All right, what we need to do is clear the cache inside Snapchat. So what you want to do is click and hold on the Snapchat app. And then click on the little eye next to Snapchat. And then here, click onto storage. And then bottom right hand corner, click on clear cache. And then see if that fixes that issue you've got of the notification sounds not working. And another thing you can do, reset your phone as well, and then see if that fixes your problem. Well, that's a few fixes, how to fix it. So thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.